いらっしゃいませ。みんなおはようございます。Welcome guys to Udon Classroom, where our chefs have prepared you an epic course of grammar for today.
I'm so excited!
We'll be learning どうして which means why or how. Wow, two meanings, what the hell? Well, we're gonna learn why and how in a second. So, 今日僕はめっちゃ元気です。お腹空いている？ I won't let you guys leave without mastering this grammar. So find a space at the counter, pull up a stool, and we'll prepare your meal and the price. Just one tasty like. Now, let's go. 始めましょう。
Explanation.
So, どうして means why or how.
How do you form it?
Now, it can be used mid-sentence or to start a new sentence. So we're going to have a look at both examples of why or how in a second. So, どうして has two main meanings as we just said. Number one is to ask why or for what reason. And number two is to ask how, more focusing on the method. So, example A, the why.
Examples.
どうして来なかった？どうして来なかった？ Why did you not come? Why didn't you come to the party? You idiot. You should have been here. Okay, let's have a look at the example B, which is how and the method. So, この字はどうして書くんですか？この字はどうして書くんですか？ How do you write this character? I find myself using this a lot because kanji is an enemy of mine. But we're working on that. So let's have a look at some example sentences today, guys. I know two meanings can be confusing, but if we do enough examples, we should be able to get it. And hey, if you don't know when to use how or why, just use this instead. Woo!
That's interesting.
So, first example we have どうして来ないの? Why aren't you coming? You give me all these excuses. You idiot. I thought you were my friend. Next one, example 2. どうしてそうなったの? Why or how did that happen? どうしてそうなったの? Next example, we have どうしてそれを知っている? どうしてそれを知っている? How do you know that? Why do you know that? I guess in this example you can see how the how and the why are kind of interchangeable here. So, example for our last example, we have どうして日本の夏はこんなに暑いんだろう? どうして日本の夏はこんなに暑いんだろう? Why is summer in Japan so hot? So, I guess in this case, why is summer in Japan so hot? I guess in English you could also say, how is it this hot in summer? It's kind of the similar meaning. So guys, you've done such a good job today. I know it's quite confusing, but keep using it and you'll get it.
Homework. 宿題.
Remember to watch the video a few times to make sure you get it, and your homework of course. Now before you go mad, this homework is for you. So, write 3 example sentences in the comments and remember that real progress comes with you taking action. So, I'm really proud of you guys, you've done a great job to get this far. Now, みんな、お腹がいっぱいですか? よかったね. That's your fill for today. We'll see you in the next video. Everybody, remember to subscribe, because Udon needs those subs. Now, we'll see you later, guys. またね.
Subscribe to the channel. 日本語を勉強しましょう。うどん教室へようこそ。始めるぞ。